incredible when we see that stuff. And looked like a great day out there, and looks like the week ahead's decent too.
Yeah. The next couple of days really good. This is an obvious statement, but that's what I love about the ocean is like you never know what's going to show up. Even when I'm fishing from the shore or something, you're just like, what's that thing that's in the water? It's cool. Today actually ended up pretty nice. It's going to be a bit cooler the next couple of days, but maybe more consistently sunny because we did fight with clouds off and on today. I don't think it was a huge detriment to the day. I still think it was comfortable enough and pleasant enough. A few showers just moving offshore right now. That's part of a cold front, which really had trouble producing any showers up until more or less it got to the coastline. It must have interacted potentially with a little bit of sea breeze activity. You can see that right there. There's the sea breeze. See when it hits that front, all of a sudden we've got extra lift and a couple of showers. You probably don't care about any of that though, but the last of these showers moving out of the way in the next half hour or so. After that, it's going to be a pleasant night because temperatures are still pinned in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees. And so it's going to be a gradual decline in temperatures into the 60s by about the middle of the night. And then we fall off a bit after that into the 50s briefly by early tomorrow morning. You'll feel a change in air mass. It gets drier. It's a little bit more fall-like tomorrow morning, but the sun offsets that and would quickly move into the mid and upper 70s. This model has a couple of stray 80s. It's possible over southern Maine. The coolest air will be locked up across northern Maine in the 60s there. Tomorrow night is on the cool side, temperatures dropping down into the 40s, and in some spots, you can look at Rangeley and Berlin, low 40s by early Wednesday morning. So I think Wednesday takes on more of a legitimately fallish, cool feeling. But again, it's sunny and it's in the low 70s, which it's hard to complain about. First half of Thursday looks good before clouds come in Thursday afternoon, and then we'll see some rain on Friday. This is kind of how Friday's been kind of panning out for us lately. A front every Friday, showers, storms coming through. It looks fairly wet, especially Friday afternoon into Friday night. The question is whether or not we can get this front out of here in time for the weekend. And the models disagree a bit on this. The European model is a bit slower with that initial front and low, and it has a chasing trough, so a little trough right behind it. The GFS American model is more progressive. See how this rain is out here versus here? And it also has less of a chasing trough, so it's a nicer day on Saturday. I lean towards the GFS here because basically all summer, this same scenario has been playing out, and every time early in the week, the European model says Saturday is going to be rainy, and then it backs off and ends up being a decent day. So that's how I think Saturday will be, but there will be probably a shower in the morning before we clear out. Sunday looks good. Monday does too. So as a ratio, you know, you don't want to get ratioed on Twitter or Instagram, or never heard of it? All right, fine, that's okay, don't play along. But it's a ratio, 2 days here with showers, and then after that looks good. Not even, it's really a day and a half. That day though, Friday, it has been consistently.
Yeah, one after the other.
Yeah, which I guess if you gotta have a rainy day, like your vibe is improving because it's the end of the week and all that, but it's just amazing how it's just been lined up every Friday.
Yep. All right, thanks Keith.